Today we're putting a super simple trading method to the test. Can an indicator that gives you pure buy and sell signals actually make you money if you follow it blindly? No analysis, no extra confirmations, no drawing zones, just pure signals. The question is, can we actually make a profit? Or is this just another fancy chart decoration that looks good but empties your account? Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you do, please drop a like down below and let's get started. So the indicator we're using today is called Pro V4 by Smart Algo. Just to be clear, this isn't a free indicator. It's an invite-only indicator, and I get the access so I can run this experiment for you guys. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below. Once you load this indicator on your chart, here's what you'll see. First, you'll see the reversal clouds, blue shaded zones below the price that act like dynamic support, and pink shaded zones above the price that act like dynamic resistance. These zones expand and contract with volatility, so they adapt in real time. Then, you'll notice the buy and sell signals. The indicator automatically prints a blue arrow when it detects a bullish shift, and a pink arrow when it detects a bearish shift. The cool thing is, these aren't random pop-ups. The algorithm actually looks at momentum and market structure, and the signal only confirms after the candle closes. This means it's not repainting mid-move. And here's the part I like. Every signal comes with 3 built-in take profit levels plus a stop loss. So the indicator is basically telling you, enter here, stop loss there, and these are your TP1, TP2, TP3. On the side, there's also a dashboard panel that gives you a quick read of the overall trend direction and market bias. Basically, once you drop this on your chart, you don't need to add anything else. The clouds, the arrows, the stop loss, and the targets. It's all included. And for today's experiment, I'm going to keep it super simple. No extra analysis, no extra confirmations. I'll just follow the signals exactly as they show up. Enter on the arrow, use the suggested stop loss, and aim for the target profits 3. That's it. Alright, now that you know the rules, let's start the test. I've loaded up a clean $100 account on MT4. From here on, every single trade I take will be 100% based on the signals. No manual zones, no EMA, no extra confirmation. If the arrow shows up, I'm in. Stop loss and take profit. I'll just follow exactly what the indicator suggests. Oh, and before I forget, the only tweak I made was adjusting the TP and SL sensitivity. I dropped it from 1 down to 0.7 just to make the signals a bit tighter since I'll be scalping XAUUSD on the 5-minute chart. Now we're on gold M5 with a fresh $100 account. And look at this, the very first signal just popped up. And it's a buy. No second guessing, no extra analysis. I'm just going to enter exactly as the indicator says, aiming straight for take profit 3 this time. Oh, and if you're wondering about the extra layers at the back, that's just a simple session indicator. Nothing fancy. It just helps me keep track of London and New York sessions, since those are the only times I'll be trading. Alright, the trade is live. We'll check back in once the price either smacks the stop loss or reaches our target. And there it is. First trade, straight into a loss. My balance is now sitting at $83.15. Funny thing is, if I had just taken take profit 1, that trade would have closed in profit already. But hey, rules are rules. And for this experiment, we're aiming for take profit 3 only. What to do, right? It's just the first trade. So let's not panic yet. Plenty more signals to come. The second signal just came in, and this time it's a buy. Same rules, nothing changes. I've entered at the arrow with the stop loss and take profit 3 exactly as the indicator suggests. Lot size is still fixed at 0.05. And wow, straight into stop loss. No mercy at all. The balance is now down to $66.75. Not gonna lie, I'm starting to doubt this already. 2 trades in, both straight into stop loss. If this keeps going, we might just blow the account before even seeing take profit 3 once. But hey, that's the whole point of the test, to see if following signals blindly can actually work. Let's not give up just yet. I'll wait for the next signal and we'll see how it plays out. Alright, the third signal just showed up. This time it's a sell. Same setup, same rules, nothing extra. And finally, TP3 hit clean. The balance is now sitting at $119.15. Luckily, we stuck to take profit 3 on this one because it managed to cover back both of the earlier losses. That's the good thing about a bigger target. Even after 2 stop losses, we're back in profit. Still a chance for this account after all. Let's keep going and see where the next signal takes us. Signal number 4 just popped up and another buy. Same rules, nothing fancy, just follow the arrow, stop loss, and take profit. Boom, another winner. The balance just jumped all the way up to $193.05. Honestly, I can't believe this. From almost doubting the whole thing to now nearly doubling the account in just 2 back-to-back trades. This is getting exciting. It feels like maybe, just maybe, this indicator can actually pull it off if the signals line up. Let's not get carried away though, still a long road ahead. On to the next one. The 5th signal just came in, and this time it gave a sell setup. I've entered exactly after receive the arrow. Take profit is down at 337.55, and stop loss is sitting at 337.85. And nope. Straight into stop loss again. The balance now drops to $171.70. Look, I know this is not really the proper way to use this indicator. I'm literally just following every signal blindly with no filter at all. And if we actually took time to analyze, maybe add confluence or filter out the weaker setups, I can already see the potential here. But for the sake of this experiment, we're sticking to the rules. Win or lose, we take them all. Let's see what the next signal brings. I just entered the 6th trade and this time a buy setup. If we win this, I'm sure we will double our account. It's the same story as the first trade. Price actually hit TP1 first, but because I'm committed to TP3, it ended up reversing and smacking the stop loss. The balance now sits at $146.10. Honestly, I'm gonna stop here. 6 trades in total, 4 losses, and only 2 wins. But even with that record, the account is still up by $46.10 in just 2 days. That's almost a 46% gain. To put it in perspective, most traders are happy if they can consistently pull 2 to 5% per day. So yeah, while following this thing blindly is definitely not the smartest way to trade, the potential is clearly there. With the right filters, some confluence, and proper trade management, I can see how this indicator could actually be powerful. The experiment might be done for now, but the results are interesting enough that I'm not ignoring it. So, that's it for today's test. Now, do I recommend trading like this? Of course not. This is just for the experiment. If you actually combine this indicator with your own strategy, risk management, and a bit of filtering, I think it could perform way better. But hey, this is why we run these tests, to see what works, what doesn't, and what has potential. If you want to check out the indicator for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description down below, so you can get the access. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want me to run more experiments like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. As always, trade smart, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.